Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, here we are, folks. It's time for the big reveal of what is in the pile. And I don't know who the winner is. Somebody has won, otherwise this video would not be playing. I recorded this big reveal video before I knew who the winner was because I want to get it put together and get it put away. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to count all this. And let's see what we have. How much constitutional silver, junk silver, 90% silver is in this pile. So I'm going to go ahead and start counting it. I'll try to go as quick as I can. So there's one roll of Walkers. So that's $10 right there. Here's the two Kennedys. Alright, so far we've got 19 Walkers there. Or 19 halves, I should say. Thought I had 20 in there, but oh well, we'll keep moving on. Let's get some quarters out of here. So we have a roll of quarters. So far we have $10, $20. Oops. Let's count it later. 10, 20, almost 30. But we'll count it when we get done here. We'll get the calculator out. So let's see how many dimes we have. 14, 16, 18, 20. That's a total of 80 quarters. And then we have 3, 6, and then we have 5 more over here, so we have 11. All right. So why don't we calculate that up? Move my camera over here a little bit. There we go. That's a little better. All right, so let's go through this. Let me see if I can maybe make this look a little bit more balanced here. Move the quarters over here. Not easy to keep these stacked up. That's a little better balance though for the picture. And don't worry about that one I caught on frame. This is just some extra constitutional I got laying around. But this was everything that was in that pile. Alright, so let's calculate this out. And let's put, let's see if we can get this calculator on the screen. Move these over a little bit. Can we get this on the screen? Almost. You know what? Let me make my screen a little brighter. It's maybe a little too bright. Okay, there we go. You can see it good enough. Push those quarters over. All right, here we go. So, what do we have? We have $10 in quarters. We counted those out. There's 40 of them. So 10 plus. We have 91 dimes. So 91 dimes is $9.10 plus $9.10. We have another $10 right here in Walking Liberties. So plus 10, so we're up to $29.10. And we have 19 here, so we're one shy of 20. So that would be $9.50. And there it is, folks. We have $38.60 in constitutional silver. Now, what I asked as part 2 of the question was, how much is this worth if silver is at $18 an ounce? So how are we going to calculate that? That's a pretty easy calculation. If you follow my channel, my videos, my live streams, you'd know it's pretty easy to calculate. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to determine how much silver is in all these coins. So to do that, we're going to multiply by 0.715 because there's 0.715 ounces of silver in each dollar. And that gives us 27.59 troy ounces of silver. And then if silver was at $18 an ounce, we'd multiply that by 18. You get $496.62. That's right, folks. If you were to sell this for $18 an ounce, you would get $496.62. Pretty fantastic, huh? That is a great value on constitutional silver. So congratulations to the winner. Even though I don't know who you are, I'm sure you are one of the people who tend to follow my channel, I hope. If not, if you're new to the channel, well, welcome to the channel and enjoy your free quarter and your free dime. That's really cool. You're going to get 35 cents worth of constitutional silver. And for those of you who don't know, 35 cents equals a perfect quarter ounce. That's right. $1.40 face value equals an ounce of silver. So 35 cents would be a quarter of an ounce. So that's pretty cool. Not too bad for playing what's in the pile, huh? Getting yourself a quarter ounce of silver. How awesome is that? Well, I hope you enjoyed the game, and I plan to play some more. And let me know if you like it or not. I think it's a little bit easier than what's in the box. Maybe not. Maybe you didn't think so, but what's in the box, because there could be anything. People, would have to make a lot of guesses. Well, this one, guess what's in the pile, how much face value, and then what the value of silver is in there. I think that's reasonable. And especially to win free silver. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed what's in the pile. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now? I would really appreciate it. And also, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some great content. I'm sure you'll enjoy it if you watch it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.